Mike from Average Mike. Replacing a 24-inch tube on a tire for my daughter. Should be a real quick, easy video here. This one's got a quick disconnect, just like that. Pull it off. Find the stem. Pry the tire over top of the rim. And you just pull it out. Feed the stem out. Inch replacement. Make sure the stem's going feeder in like that. And it'll be good. And feed the tube into the tire. Fill the air, all done. Got air in the tire. Put it back on the spokes, the chain on the spokes. That's fun. You put air in the tire before you feed it through the brakes. Huge mistake. Can't do that. Gotta feed it through the brakes first. Boom. Once it's in there, then you can feed it on the spokes. Make sure the chain's out of the way. Now we put air on. See you on the other side. All right, air's in. Cap on. That's it. How you do a 24-inch tire on a mountain bike. All right, just closing out that one video I have for the 24-inch. My camera person cut me off before I had the outro going, so we completed the 24-inch install. If you liked the video from Average Mike, just subscribe and like on the bottom. Thank you very much for watching. Hey, thanks for watching the project today. Please like and subscribe at the bottom there, and if you want, push notifications and you'll get the most updated video that we have.